Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you yearly makeup empties for 2023. I'm going to be pulling these items at random. There's a lot of products. The Away Studio Argan Oil Sponge Soap. I definitely recommend these Away Studio soaps. Are very good. Definitely recommend these. The only reason why I'm showing this beat up sponge is because I loved it, and if you can find this sponge in store, it's the LaColors sponge. It's amazing. It's very soft. Fantastic sponge. Ioni Natural Light Doll Lashes. One of my favorite lashes. Fantastic. Ioni lashes are amazing. I have this dried up Spectrum Cosmetics Snow Globe glitter. This glitter is so gorgeous, but it's dried up. This Milani Hypnotic Lights. It's again very gorgeous liquid eyeshadow glitter type product, but they dry up so fast. The e.l.f. Retro Paradise. This is disco ball, and this one dried up, but absolutely stunning holographic glitter. Looks amazing in the inner corner. Soft Lips Wild Berry. Used the Chapstick Vanilla Latte. This LaColors Scented Lip Balm in Cool Mint. This Lip Smackers. I did not use this product up. It's just kind of old now, so I'm going to toss this out. NYX Pigment Primer. Great primer. It just got really thick and dry. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. This is their multi-use concealer. This stuff is great. It's very lightweight, but this product does not work how it used to. Old and time to remove it from my collection. e.l.f. Eyebrow Pencil. Love this one. This is one of my go-to eyebrow products. Fantastic, great eyebrow pencil. Now moving on, I'm going to go into my Project Pan items. I did do a whole separate video talking about those products on their own, so we're going to go through these quickly. Products left in them, but they are too old to use, or I'm going to pass them along. Starting with the pass it alongs. So the LaColors I Heart Makeup Contour Palette. I set out to use this bronzer, this powder, this highlighter. I'm still working on the highlighter, but I wanted to share because I have used up the bronzer that I wanted to. That is gone. I'm done using this. Pass along after I get done with my highlighter. The Ioni Venus Perfect Brow Mini Kit. I used up the highlighter, used up the brow shade that was closest to my brow color, and I'm done with this. I'm going to pass this along. These shades are either too light or too dark with red undertones. So the other one is the Rimmel Insta Conceal and Contour Palette. I did manage to use up almost all this concealer for under my brows for brow cleanup, and then I started to use these concealers and the bronzer, but as you can see, their formula changed and I don't think this is safe to use anymore. I did use up the Hard Candy Volumizing Marilyn Monroe mascaras, so a primer and the mascara itself. These are fantastic. Ioni Volumizing Mascara. This is okay. It's nothing special, to be honest. And this product did have some left in it, but once again, it changed formula, the scent, all that stuff, not safe to use anymore. Profusion No Budge Eyeshadow Primer. The Cherry Cherie Liquid Lipstick. This is all gone. Profusion Glitter Topper. Beautiful. I got all that I could use out of this. It dried up, so this is gone as well. I did manage to use up the Hard Candy Chilling Wonder Powder Sheer Envy Loose Powder. This stuff was really great. Had this weird cooling sensation on your face. It was actually really nice. The Morphe Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist in Strawberry. Love this mist for setting my makeup. Two other items in that Project Pan were the Sally Hansen Big Matte Top Coat. Almost use it completely up. Can't really get any more out with the brush. And then the Revlon Quick Dry Base Coat. I hate how long this takes to dry. I'm not the biggest fan of this, so I'm just done with this product. Now moving on to nail products. A couple quick products I want to talk about real quick. A bunch of cotton balls. Lots of cotton ball packaging for nail art. I did want to share these, the Revlon files. These are the limited edition ones. I think you can still find these at Walmart. They are neon fantastic, highly recommend. Another file that I recommend is the black files like this from Sassy and Chic at the Dollar Tree. They don't have any name branding on them or anything, they're just black and they're fantastic. These right here are an honorable mention because I loved using these, but these are from Shein and they basically are just nail swatch sticks. They come apart, so you get the ring and you get all of these individual. And I use these swatch sticks to swatch all of my high-end indie brand nail polishes. You get 50 sticks, I believe under $2, so totally worth it. And I just wanted to share that with you because these are awesome for nail polish swatches, and I keep all of my specialty polishes swatched out and labeled. I did use up a couple lint rollers for nail art stamping. And I did have more nail polish remover bottles, but I didn't save them all. So first off, I have the luxury nail polish remover, the pump, and it's the acetone one. I like the acetone, no longer on my natural nails, but only for stamping, and this works fantastic very easily. One of my favorites is the Equate Advanced Nail Polish Remover for natural nails in the lavender scent. This can remove shellac, gel, glitter polish, and it has the nourishing coconut, avocado, and olive oils in it. This is a really nice remover. Definitely recommend this one. Now the last one is my most favorite one for my natural nails, and it's the Q-Tex one, and with the Strength Shield. Over time, with consistent use, this does help strengthen your nails. Fantastic. It removes glitter. It does leave your nails looking healthy. It doesn't dry out your cuticles or anything like that. This is from Nail Aid. It's the vegan pure agave, seaweed, and thyme melt in seconds cuticle remover. This did work fantastic. It was really nice. I would definitely repurchase this in the future if I find it again. It was very nice. Kiss brush on nail glue. This is just to repair nails. I have a broken nail right now. It's been fully repaired with a full guard on it and everything, and you can barely tell, and I just used the Kiss brush on glue for that, and it's great. I have a couple cuticle oil products. This is also from Nail Aid, and it's the Hemp Daily Oil, and this was a good oil for the cuticles. It's not like my most favorite. I don't know that I'll repurchase it, but it was a decent oil. This one I absolutely loved, and it's the Sally Hansen. The label is barely hanging on. Cuticle oil. It's from their brand, the Pure line, and this one was in a scent like coconut, and this one was very nice. Once you did put it on, it did absorb kind of quickly, which I like. I don't like my fingertips to be woolly for long, and this was fantastic. I definitely recommend this Sally Hansen Pure Coconut Cuticle Oil. It's great. I have a couple stamping polishes that are on their way out from Born Pretty, the gold and the silver, and both of them pretty low down. Like the gold is pretty much gone, so I'm gonna do away with those. LaColors Ultra Nail Hardener. This is sealed. It leaked out, thick and goopy, so I'm just going to get a new one of these. LaColors Mega Grow. Love this stuff. Done full reviews on this. This stuff is fantastic. Definitely recommend, and it works. I also used up an LaColors base coat and top coat. I do like this only for the base coat aspect of it. I think it works fantastic for that. Not so much top coat, but base coat all the way. The Nail Aid Total Cure 9-in-1. This was a fantastic product. Definitely recommend this one as well. I tried to get as much as I could out of the bottom of the bottle. This was amazing. I will definitely purchase this again. It helps if you have peeling nails, if you're having problems with breaking, flimsy nails, all those kinds of things. Like, it does 9 things in one bottle. All the Nail Aid products are fantastic. The Pro FX Super Greens, and there is a little left in this bottle, but it's very thick, it's goopy, it doesn't want to dry anymore, so they used to be my very favorite, and the Super Greens is very good and very close to the Mega Grow. And next up I have 4 empties of the Super Dry, and there is a little left in the bottom of the bottle, yes, but once it gets down to the lower level, you can't really reach it with a brush, number one, and number two, it ends up getting kind of thick and goopy and stringy because it is that quick dry kind of formula. 4 of these super dry top coats from Diamond Cosmetics. I find these at the Dollar Tree, and these are very comparable if you want to use them with stamping to the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat, but I absolutely love these and will continue to purchase these. We can add in the Pro FX Super Gel. There is a little left in there, but can't really get that out. And this product, fantastic, very good thick top coat. Last but not least, 2 Maniology products. So I have the Sticky Base Coat, fantastic for nail stamping, it's an essential. And then the Smudge Free Top Coat, also pretty essential to the process if you don't want your nail art to streak after you've stamped it. And these two paired together are great, you can use, but fantastic. I'm going to repurchase these soon. Well, that is all of my empties for 2023, makeup and nail related. I'm going to count these products and give you a total number. 54 items in total for 2023. I don't feel like that's terrible, but it wasn't as good as prior year. I used up 106 products last year. Really good progress in using products up, getting some products out of the makeup collection. So I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful. Stay tuned. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links, and thank you so very much for watching.